Okay, got myself a new Netgear Wi-Fi extender. It's not the newest one, but I only needed 700 square feet. Normally they do more than what they're supposed to. Netgear's so awesome. This is what it comes like. It is the Netgear N300. It says the range up to 300 megabyte. All this stuff is more than what my Wi-Fi puts out. Boost your existing Wi-Fi. It is used. There's all the stuff on the side if you guys can even read that. It's pretty cool it came in the box since it was used. My purpose is actually pulling the Wi-Fi from my car and turning it into a hotspot plugged into a router, so then I don't have to pay expensive Wi-Fi bills, internet bills. Oops, cut the box. So this is going to be the unboxing and setup of this router, this extender, sorry. I just ended up with a new router too, so this will be perfect. There's the device. I love buying Amazon used. That is not even in English. I ain't even gonna look at that. Quick start guide. Tells you everything that you already seen on the Amazon ad. Tells you what all your colors are supposed to be. Now screenshot this, zoom up on it under your photos with 2 little fingers if you really want to see all this. The instructions in here tell you how to do it. Make sure you have it halfway in between your router and your device that you're trying to get. This is really good for people that have garages that aren't attached. Or Blu-ray players, as it says. Whoops, I'm skipping way too fast for you guys. And here's the device itself. They give you a heck of a box for what it comes in. Yeah, you got all that box in there. I guess it keeps it safe. There is only 2 plugs. You don't need to worry about a ground, I guess. The antennas are very strong. They spin 360, but you gotta spin them clear around. It's missing about 10 degrees there. Both sides are the same, missing about 10 degrees. Looks like it would probably go up like this. So you can basically put them however you want. They're mainly for looks anyways. Make sure your dog don't chew on them. Looks like we got 2 lights that could be kicking on. Your WPS light and your power. Got your on and off, WPS, factory reset, which is a little hole, and your LAN out. Looks great. They make it harder to service by putting a Torx bit in there. And yeah, let's get to the setup. Okay, you're right in on the action. One's showing the plug I'm plugging it into. I'm just going to follow the directions that you can see on the screen right now. I'm going to plug that in. I'm going to plug the internet into my computer. I got a really long cable. Just going to plug that in like that. Hopefully my computer don't go all nuts. Gonna warn you now that my internet has a wicked name on it that ain't quite appropriate for kids, so if you're watching this with your kids. Okay, so I found this on Netgear's website, how to set this up. We are going to first plug in your Wi-Fi extender. The power, if your power LEDs do not light, press the power button. We have a orange light, as you can see. Don't know what. Oh, with it plugged into my computer, it automatically just loaded that. You guys are watching it live, and you just seen what it did. So we're going to click on New Extender Wi-Fi, whatever setup. Kind of thrown off for this. I was reading that, and okay, I got to click on that again. Create password. I'm going to, who the heck are all these emails? I'm going to make this real quick. I already have a Netgear password and all that, so it kind of sucks that it's trying to make me do this. You guys are just staring at a black screen for now, maybe. I don't know. I'm just setting up the account right now. I already have an account based on my router. Okay. This is what it's looking like now. It's scanning. Looks like this may be a real easy setup. I think it's scanning for the Wi-Fi in my house. There we go. I got a Bose, corn use only, and wiener cleaner. Told you they weren't much appropriate. Wiener cleaner is my actual router, so I'm going to click on. Actually, I'm going to do corn use. And I'm going to click next. That is still my router, it's just a different thing. So you need to type in the password to your router. Oops, that was not it. You can see it if you need to, if not. Applying these settings into your name. Same as existing network password. Yeah. Now you can name the name that will come out of your extender. I'm going to call it, not that. Why keep doing that? Extended. I'm just going to call it extended for now. I'm sure I'll change it later. So far this is super easy. You guys are watching it live over there on the camera. All I did was just plug it in. You see me delay about a minute and it automatically launched. Super easy stuff. That's why I stick with Netgear. They're also very reliable. Like we got two lights and a light at the bottom. There is also a WPS version of setting this up. My router, somehow, in 15 years of routers, my router doesn't have a WPS button. And there we go. Click. And there is my password. Connect any Wi-Fi enabled device like you would connect them to your main network using the credentials below. So if you're out of reach of your normal internet, don't try to connect to your normal internet. You need to connect to the one you have that's set. Mine's called extended. Now that one will branch out even further. Don't put it close to your router. You need to put it halfway in, or maybe wherever you get about 60% signal. You can use the Network Genie here up at the top. You can use that app. That app does really good. Tells you your signal and the speed and all that at different parts of your house. Click the button. Click the continue button after you connect your Wi-Fi devices. I'm going to click connect and continue. And it signs me out. So let's see if it is one of my Wi-Fi's down here. I am going to unhook. As you can see, I am connected to porn use only through Wi-Fi. Okay, let's disconnect that. Let's unplug my internet. No internet down here, as you can see. Oh, you guys can't see. I'm not doing a full screen. Okay, I am going to... Wow, I can't really show you guys. I have to bring the camera over here. Hold on. So, all that looks good. The button that is lit up is the power. The WPS button is off. Bring you over here. As you can see, I have a world. That means no internet. Click on that. Brings up my internet, and you guys can't see it very good, but I'm connected to nothing. I'm going to connect to extended. Not going to make it automatic. Connect. Use my password. Next, it's verifying. Should have little Wi-Fi bars down here if it worked. There we go. It says extended connected. Let's go do a speed test. Don't mind the news. Speedtest.net.